My name is Rafaela Revis. Unit 7, Day 2, Session 1. The title of the story is The Giant Jam Sandwich. In the story, there were 4 million wasps which came on a hot summer day to Itching Down. And for that problem, since they were everywhere, even in people's hair, and driving the picnickers away, the villagers decided to have a village meeting. And Mayor Muddlenut said, "What can we do?" But everyone said, "That's a good question," but nobody had a good suggestion. But then the baker, whose name is Bap, leaped to his feet and said, "I know. What do wasps like to eat best? They like jam, strawberry jam. Very delicious. So let's make a big jam sandwich, which we can trap them in." Everyone cheered, and Farmer Seed said, "Use my field." So they set to work. Bap told everyone in different groups what to do. They made the dough. Then it was left to rise till the dough was in a mountain in shape and size. Then they took it with the village bus, a truck, and cars and all sorts of things to the big oven, which had 50 cookers, which they built on the hill. For hours and hours, the giant loaf of bread was cooking till the window shook. And when they took it out, it was boiling hot. And they began to shout, "Isn't it crusty? Aren't we clever?" But the wasps were just as bad as ever. So they set to work. They cut the bread, the first slice, and then everyone clapped and cheered, and then slice number 2 was cut. But everyone agreed that the village bus would ruin Farmer Seed's field. So they got a few horses, and steadily they got the slice of bread to the cloth which they spread on the field, and then a truck spilled the butter, and with a lot of utensils they spread it on the bread, and then they did the same with the strawberry jam. When it was ready, there were quite a few machines, flying machines, up in the air with slice number 2 ready to trap the wasps, and there was nothing to do but wait. But very soon the sky was humming. 4 million wasps were humming and coming. So they landed there, but they ate and ate until they got stuck. Then slice number 2 came kersplat and trapped the wasps. Only 3 got away, but where they are today I cannot quite say. So that day everyone danced and sang and played, because Itching Down is not a waspish type of town, and the wasps never came from that day. But where the sandwich went, they like to say in Itching Down how the birds flew and had a feast for 100 weeks. That's the end of my retelling of the Giant Jam Sandwich.